Thank you very much. It's still Ingezo Education on board now. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe and like the video. Now we are continuing and share the video. Now we are going to do what now? We are continuing with question 1 of paper 1, which is we're going straight to what? 1.2 there. Which is we're going to be treating what? Simultaneous equation, which is how much? 6 marks there. Thank you very much. Let us just solve that simultaneous equation this time now. Which is we are dealing with what? 1.2 now. We are given what? We are given 2x. We are given 2x. Let me just write it and write it nicely. We are given 2x now. 2x plus y is equal to how much? 3. This is our what? Our first equation. Then we are given what? X squared plus y squared is equal to how much? 2 now. This is our equation number 2, which is we're going to formulate now equation number 2, equation number 3 from what? Equation number 1. Which is with this arrow, we are just making sure that learner sees that we are making equation number 3 from equation number 1. Because now this y doesn't have a coefficient, and then this x is a coefficient now, which is we're just going to make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 3 minus how much? Minus 2x there. Which is, this will be our third equation. What are we doing now? We are substituting now equation number 3 to what? Equation number 2. Where we see y, we substitute with what? 3 minus 2x. Which is a way to have x squared plus how much? 3 minus 2x whole squared is equal to how much? 2 now. Which is a way to have x squared plus how much? 3 minus 2x. 3 minus 2x is equal to how much? 2. So we are opening two sets of brackets because now this squared, now it simply means we're having this thing that is 2 and it is what? Identical. Which is a way to have how much? X squared plus how much? 3 multiplied by 3 now. Which is 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. And what? 3 multiplied by 2x is how much? Minus 6x. Now we're going to have how much? This multiplied by this, now it will be how much? And also minus 6x. Now minus 2x multiplied by minus 2x plus how much? Plus 4x squared. Now, which is what? Going to transpose the 2 now to what? Minus 2 is equal to 0. Which is we're having what? This one is a like term of what? Of this one. This one is a like term of that one. This one is a like term of what? Of that one. Which is now x squared plus 4x squared, it will be how much? 5x squared. Minus 6 it will be how much? Minus 12x. 9 minus 2 it will be how much? Plus 7 is equal to how much? 0. Which is the value of a will be equal to how much? 5. The value of b will be equal to how much? Negative 12. The value of c will be equal to how much? 7. So where are we going now? We are going straight to quadratic formula. X is equal to how much? Negative b plus or minus the root of how much? B squared minus 4ac now divided by how much? By 2a. Which is, what is the value of b now? Negative 12. Which is, you must respect the negative of the formula. Negative into negative 12 plus or minus the root of how much? Negative 12 all squared now minus how much? 4 into how much? 4 into 5. 5 multiplied by how much? Multiplied by 7. Which is going to have our 7 there. What? Which is, this is what we do now. 2 into how much? 2 into 5 now. Which is going to have 12 now. Plus or minus the root of how much? Which is, you must simplify what is under the right hand side. Let me just fetch my calculator. Thank you very much. Nice. Which is going to have how much now? We are simplifying what is under the right hand side. Which is going to have negative 12 all squared now. What? Minus 4 into how much? Into 5 multiplied by how much? By 7, which is close bracket now, which is going to have what? 4 there. You are going to have 4 inside the right hand side divided by how much? Divided by 10. Which is going to have how much? The first x value or what? The second x value. Which is going to have how much now? You have 12 plus root of how much? Root of 4 divided by how much? By 10. Which is the first answer, it will be how much? 7 divided by 5. Which is, we do what now? We do the minus part now. Which is going to have minus, which is going to have what? X is equal to how much? 1. So what do we do now? We sub what? X is equal to 7 divided by 5 or what? X is equal to how much? 1 in what? Equation number 3. Why in equation number 3? Because now already y is the subject of the formula now, which is going to have y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 3 minus 2 into how much? 7 divided by 5. And what? We're going to have what? Or y is equal to how much? 3 minus 2 into 1, which is going to have how much this side? 1. This side we're just going to put it in our calculator, which is going to have how much? 3 minus how much? Minus, which is going to have what? Y is equal to how much? 1 divided by how much? By 5. That is our simultaneous equation. Thank you very much.